या वो दर्जा जिन्हें हम बहुत कम जानते हैं लेकिन बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट महत्वपूर्ण जगह रखते हैं फिल्मों में, द री रिकॉर्डिंग engineer and sound designer. Please welcome the National Award winner, Mr. Anup Dev. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us. And thank you for such wonderful work on the film. जब हम शेर देखते हैं, when we see the tiger, मुझे शेर नहीं नजर आता है, मुझे एक कैमरा नजर आता है जो शेर के ऊपर रखा गया है, और वो आदमी शायद इस दुनिया में वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफी में सबसे बेहतरीन है. द नंबर 1 वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, द एमी अवार्ड विनर मिस्टर अल्फोंस रॉय. ये हमेशा टोपी पहनते हैं ताकि हम कह सके कि हैट्स ऑफ टू यू, तो हैट निकाल देते हैं. All right. I hope I'm not missing out anybody. Yeah? We come to the crowning glory of Gaur Hari Dastan. And this is not because the gentleman has brought India great glory. The gentleman has brought India an Academy Award. He's brought us an Oscar. But because the man himself is such a genius with sound. जब आप इस फिल्म को देखेंगे आपको पता चलेगा कि why Mr. Rasool Pookutti is amongst the best in the world. Please come forward, Mr. Rasool Pookutti. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We're indeed grateful to Rasool sir for having worked with us on this film. Okay, now the so-called faces on screen, the faces that gave life to the characters on screen. A wonderful actor. He is my co-actor in the play Bottoms Up, and he's done a lot of other plays. Mohan Azad has also written the national award-winning film Chandni Var. So please give him a big hand. So coming back, it's very rare that an actor does a single scene and is remembered throughout the film. I also want to thank this actor because he is a superstar in Marathi, but he agreed to do this role for us and for the producers Sachin and Bindia. Please welcome with a loud round of applause, Siddharth Jadhav. जब हीरोज इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं फिल्मों में हम अक्सर चाहते हैं कि कोई यंग डैशिंग फेस ले लें, लेकिन इस बार हमें एक ऐसा चेहरा चाहिए था जो हम में से एक है और जो गौर हरिदास का बेटा बना इस फिल्म में. वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग दीपक सत्सले. थैंक यू दीपक. Yeah, can you recognize her? Can you tell us how you did this without makeup? How you managed to do it?
Like how I'm at home without makeup, like of complete jalli. That's how I was in the film. And that's why you cast me, no? Because I am a complete jalli.
Yeah, you're an absolute natural. Thank you for doing that for us. Thank you so much. I hope I haven't missed out any actors in the... is anyone here? I'm extremely sorry because... Okay, I missed him out. I'm so sorry, Mr. Vinay Pathak himself. Vinay's performance is something that is so awe-inspiring that now he'll probably think that this man, that's me, is becoming so boring trying to tell the audience what he has achieved. But what Vinay has done, it's there for the world to see. You saw glimpses of it now. And you must watch the film to actually get the full impact of what he's done. And finally, the person who's going to get this film onto the screens in India, he is as important as the first person who walked in here, that's the producer. Please Welcome Mr. Girish Wankide of Entity One. Thank you, Girishji. Thank you so much for supporting this film. You're as valuable to us as Snehalji and Devdarji. I now request Snehalji and Devdarji to come up here for a photo op. And if there are any questions from the audience, from the press, please feel free to ask them. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
देखो बच्चे को